definitely it is Shillong of West. Means Shillong is more beautiful than Scotland. I appeal all my fellow brothers and sisters, those who are observing me, watching me on this Facebook Live from all over the part of not only India, as it is Facebook Live, probably from the whole part of the world, people will be watching this Facebook Live, as it has been shared by verified from my verified page Sunil Devdar with a blue tick mark, and which has got more than 59 lakh followers. And that is why I appeal all of you to visit Meghalaya as a tourist at least once in your life. And why Meghalaya? So the whole Northeast is beautiful. The strength of our Northeast, the potential of our Northeast, the potential about tourism, its beauty, its ecotourism, its medical tourism, health tourism, number of opportunities are there. And I know that Meghalaya people are not at all lacking behind in attracting people from rest of the part of the country to Meghalaya, because I have seen number of houses where the signboard is written that yes, you are welcomed as tourists, and bread and butter tourism is welcome, so that you can go to that house, you can stay as a guest in their house as tourist, and the house cooked food is available, the hospitality of Meghalaya people is available, and I cannot forget Kwai of Meghalaya, Kwai. It is betel nut and the patti, and it is tradition all over India. Even in Assam it is called as Gua, in Manipur it is called as Kua, and in Meghalaya it is called as Kwai. It is same word. And name of Guwahati is Guwahati because maybe there is a huge market of Goa or Kwai once upon a time, and that is why it was named as Guwahati. I don't know the exact history of that name particularly, but from the name it sounds like that. And in Meghalaya, if you enter any house, you will get a wonderful glass of water. I cannot forget the taste of water of Meghalaya. Kaum to kaum jhumka Meghalaya mo. And that tasty water, along with that tasty water, thanda pani, and Kwai. And that Kwai compels you to forget everything in this world. And I am not habitual Kwai eater or betel nut eater. Whenever I used to visit the houses of Meghalaya, the great hospitality I received in Meghalaya, not only in the Meghalaya, I travelled all the states of Northeast number of times, and the hospitality is same in all the tribal people of our Northeast, and even Assamese and Bengali people. You will not find any difference in the hospitality, the love, the affection, which is being given to the welcome of our Northeastern brothers and sisters. It's really beautiful, and we must know that the song, while singing this song, it has become mantra for the freedom fighters of our country, Vande Mataram. In that Vande Mataram, the second line, Sujalam Sufalam Male Jashikalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram. This Sujalam means plenty of water. Sufalam, plenty of fruits are available. This line struck to the mind of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay while he was travelling through Assam. And really, the hydroelectric power potential of our Northeast is so tremendous that potential, if it is utilized in proper ways, the entire hydroelectric power potential is utilized in proper ways, then throughout our country, the problem of electricity will come to an end. We can get 24 hours round the clock in all phases, complete electricity without any power failure all over India to 130 crore Indians. And after that, the remaining electricity power will be sold to neighboring countries and we can earn money out of that. So much so the power of hydroelectric is there in our Northeast in special. And definitely central government is aiming for that and going on that path, and slowly and steadily definitely it will become successful. My dear brothers and sisters, the natural wealth which is available in Meghalaya, natural wealth which is available in the northeast is tremendous. See the bamboo. The 59 type of species of bamboo are available in our northeast, while in the rest of the part of India, maybe 3, 4, 5, 10 species are available, but 59 different varieties of bamboo which is called as green gold. It is really green gold. And now in present situation, if we want to survive ourselves, we have to become self-dependent. Every village has to become self-dependent. Then we will have to search such type of things which can produce wealth, which can create wealth, which can give employment to us in our own village, in our own town in the northeast. What else than bamboo? And do you know there was a law about bamboo, that it was a tree, and that is why forest department never allowed in past to cut the bamboo. But I thank Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, after he came to power. One great thing he did about bamboo is he removed the law of bamboos that it is a tree, and he changed the law which was being made by Britishers. He changed bamboo from tree to grass, and as soon as it has become grass, now anybody can cut. Forest department cannot stop you from cutting bamboos, exporting bamboos, importing bamboos, or making something good articles from bamboo. Bamboo is green gold, and it is going to bring great wealth to our northeast. You remember my words, and definitely central government and state governments. Definitely in Meghalaya we have a charming and young chief minister and a very good ministry which is taking care of all Meghalaya people. And if